Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple gift card online. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing that you can do is if you're on the device that you wanted to buy that Apple gift card, you can just head into the settings if they're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer. And you can tap on your name at the very top and then go down to media and purchases. You can see once you tap on it, we're going to choose view account. And after we've done that, it'll pop up with this option. You can see add money to account. Just tap on that. Now, if you wanted to top up the gift card or the balance on that device or on an Apple ID account across your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, you can just add it on here. You can, for instance, tap on $25 and then it will pop up with a double click to pay. And it will add it directly to your account. However, let's say if you're giving a gift card to someone else, you can do that either by physically going into an Apple store and buying a physical Apple card, or you can do it a couple ways online where it'll just email them that. So instead of this, let's hop out here. And one option is to head into the App Store on your device and then tap on the profile button at the very top right. After you've done that, you can see here it says send gift card by email. I can tap on that and you'll be able to see I can enter in the email address. So type in their email address and it will email them this gift card. You can type in who it's from and the message and then enter in however much you want. You can see gift card redeem in US stores only. I can choose $25 or whatever and then send the gift today. After you enter in that email, just hit the next button and it will use your Apple card, the card that's associated with your Apple ID account, to basically buy that and send it. However, let's say you don't have that device on you, like an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer. You can also just head into a web browser and you can just go to apple.com. After you're on apple.com, you can scroll down to the very bottom and you'll be able to see at the very bottom, we're going to look for where it says Apple Store and tap the little drop down arrow to open it up. And on here, we are looking to see where that gift card is. They sometimes move this around. So let's open up Shop and Learn instead. It might be in there. There it is, gift cards. Just tap on gift cards and you're on this screen. Just tap on the buy option. And this is the same as if you're buying anything on Amazon.com or Walmart.com, anywhere else. All you need to do is scroll down. You can choose whether to email it to someone or you can mail a physical gift card to them as well. Let's choose email, for instance. We can choose a design. And then, of course, choose an amount, let's say $100. And then enter the recipient's name and email address. This is who they will send that email to and say, hey, you've got this gift card and you can redeem it to your account. Who it is from, this will be your name and your email address. And you can add a personalized message and then just hit select. You can see it usually arrives within 1 hour. So they will email them with that gift card. You can always choose to send it later if you wanted to, or of course do a physical gift card, which should take maybe 5 business days, something like that, for them to process it, ship it, and for them to get it. And after you've done that, just check out with your credit card or debit card, and it will have sent that gift card to whoever you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.